when you have a listing, only one person is going to buy it. So if you are going to get 10 showings with a set of photos and staging, and you're able to double that. So if the photos get so much better that you're able to draw 20 people in instead of 10 because you have better photos, guess what? The likelihood of you selling that property is going to be higher. So give us that example of what occurred with, so the address was on Wolcott, you could probably figure it out, but what happened?
So basically, long story short, it was listed with another agent. They were on the market for, I want to say, about 100 days, and they were not able to get an accepted offer on the property. We spoke with these sellers. We then looked over the listing and we noticed, okay, these pictures don't really make sense. There's multiple pictures of rooms. You can't really figure out the flow of the property. It didn't look great. It was not staged. It was really hard to kind of imagine yourself in this home. So basically what we did is we came in, first we brought a handyman through. We addressed little items that buyers will see as they walk through.
Yeah, painted a couple of rooms.
Yeah, we painted a room, got it staged, got new beautiful photos, did drone video, did Matterport, the whole 9 yards.
And how many offers did we procure?
So within the first weekend of being on the market, we listed on a Wednesday. We got 3 offers that weekend and we were under contract.
But this is what I want people to understand is people roll their eyes. Oh, you take some photos and you throw it up on the market. No, these small differences. It's all about the number of people you're able to draw in. And it was a drastically different result for our seller.